one. So this is my previous blog that I created already. Okay, so if you want to view, for example, there is like that there already. I put this one already. So that's how it's look like, but I didn't publish it yet. If you publish, you will see now here when I click and go to that one. Okay, so let me close now this one and create a new one. Okay, so start from the beginning. So say blogger. Okay, and blogger.com, and then click this one and create new blog. Okay, so for your next work, as I told you, are going to create a travel blog which is composed of 3 pages. There is home, there is a gallery page, and there is a contact page. Okay, so for example, let's try to choose 60 travel. Let me see if it's available. Oh yeah, and then the address. Okay, so for the address, sometimes it's very hard to choose. So let's say 6 travel. I will make travel to 3. So please create a unique name, because if you're not going to create a unique name, sometimes you will get a problem, because they will set it like, for example, this like this one. So this one is still available, you can use it, but what I want is more unique, like for example I will be make, okay, and then this one, so L. So and then click save. So we save it already. So when we view our blog, there's nothing inside. It's just like this, right? It's very clean. There's nothing at all. Okay, so that's why you go to the dashboard again and go to layout. Okay, so go to layout. So you'll see on this one that there is a page. Okay, so there is a page, there is a follow by email, there is the header. So the header is the one on the top. So for when you view it, so this one is the header. Okay, so maybe we can change this one with our own logo. So don't worry, I'm going to teach you how to create a very good or a very nice logo on other websites. Okay, so for this one, so let's go back to our dashboard, and we need to create pages as I told you. So of course you need to go to pages first, and then, so how to create pages. So you look at this one, there is a plus here, and then you will see new page. Okay, so do you see that one, everyone, can you see it? So click that one, and the first one is home, right? So we create the basic layout. So this one will be home, and just click save. Do not publish it yet. Okay, and go back. When you go back, there is already there. So you will see that it's still draft because we didn't yet publish. Okay, so next, create another page and name this one as, for example, a gallery. Okay, so and then save it again. Alright, so we save it already, and then go back again, and the last one is contact page. Okay, so contact, and then save. So in this one here, you can put like a form, or you can just import pictures, or you can just type a paragraph. So this is the one there. When you also click on this one, you will see HTML view, and there is also compose view. Okay, so what is the difference between these two? So this one is where you can create code for HTML. Okay, like for example, I'm going to create a basic HTML here. For example, paragraph. P tag is stand for paragraph. Okay, so please make sure you remember. For example, here I will just change that one to hello. That will be paragraph. Hello contact, and I'll just make a heading, for example, here. So H1, for example. Okay, so H1, and close it with open tag, close tag, for example, and H1. As you can see, the coding for HTML is this how it's look like. So H1, for example, hello contact 6/2. Okay, so that will be our heading. So when you preview, you'll look what will happen. So that one, there is, this is the heading and this is the paragraph. Okay, so that's how to work on that is compose view. Okay, so that is compose view. So can just also use, it's up to you which one do you like to use. So for me, let me ask you first, so which one do you like to use? Here it's easy, you can just type here, it will create automatic the HTML code for that will be on the HTML view. Okay, so the HTML view and compose view. Okay, so which one is easy for you? So let me ask you first, which one is easy? Is it the one in compose view or HTML view if you are going to create a code? Because if you are
Probably the compose view.
the compose view, okay, because you don't need to think the code, right? So all you need to do is just like you put the some pictures here and the code will create. Okay, so it will automatically create for you. Okay, so of course color also, look what will happen. So when we change this one, for example, all right, so it changed that one. When you look at the code on the HTML view, there is another code for a color. Okay, so that will be the basic CSS and HTML. Okay, say I please kindly pay attention on how we're going to do it. Okay, so our contact page, there is already example. So now let me go back to um to our pages. Okay, so we already created 3 pages. Now if we're going to view this, so still nothing happened in our page. Okay, because we didn't publish it. Let's try to publish this one, confirm, and other one also publish, and this one also publish. Okay, so and let's go back to pages and let's view our blog how it's look like. So I'll just close this and then view our vlog. So still nothing happened, right? So just click refresh. Okay, so there's nothing here. Okay, so next will be how we are going to create a button on this side here. Okay, so how we are going to do that is you go to the theme, so that we'll see how it's look like because we didn't choose the theme yet. Okay, so before we go to the theme, let's go work on layout first. Okay, so that's easy. So on the layouts, you go to the page list. Okay, so this one. So you can just check this. Okay, so there is home already. That's the basic one. You just check that one and then you will see, and then scroll down and then save. Okay, you understand? You just scroll down and then you'll see the save button here. Save. So there you go, it's already finished. Okay, so next is to choose the theme. Okay, so since we're going to create a travel blog, so we're going to create 3 buttons. So for example, let me see what we're going to use. So pictures windows, I think pictures windows is good to use if you like to use it. So you can also use watermark also, and look at the combinations of the layout. So make sure also how it will match your color to your layout or to your design. So when for example, when I'm going to choose, let's say this, the flower, so that will be our layout. So there is home, about me, and contact. So let's apply. Let's preview first how it's look like. So this is how it's look like, but you can see where is our contact, this one here. Okay, so go back and let's say apply. Got it. Okay, so when we view it, it's already here. We created already 3 pages, right? Yes or no? So these are pages here. Okay, so but our problem is how we are going to bring this one. For example, here it's a kind of navigation bar, for example. So it's like navigation bar. So for example, your button you don't like here, you can transfer it on this one, on this corner. So how you are going to do that? If you want to put it here, for example, so you can just go back to the dashboard again, and let me close it, and then go to the layout, and then our pages and our header. Go and find your pages, and you can arrange this one here. For example, how to do it: bring it to near to header. Where is header? See that here. Okay, so that one, and then don't forget to save. You see that one, there is a preview, there is a save icon here. Okay, there is also clear. So if you want to clear some of this one here, you can also edit here, for example, some of the locations, post title. Okay, so you can do a lot of things later on if you know how to do it. Okay, so next is save, and let's preview how it's look like. So there you go. So it's easy that our page is there already on the top, right? Do you see it? Hello everyone,
Hello.
can you see it? We
Yes.
already created 3 pages: home, contact, and then the gallery page. Okay, so that's how they do it, how to create pages on a blog. Okay, so we'll just close it because we need a lot of things to do. So next is how you're going to create, like for example, a logo. Okay, so I'm going to share it to you one logo creator that we can create a header. For example, there is a very nice header, so you just go to this website. So we call this one, just go to Google and then type iCool text generator. So there is a cool text generator, and this one, cooltext.com. Okay, so as you can see, there's a lot of beautiful text here. Okay, so you can choose whatever design you like. You can change the name, what name you like. Like for example, we're going to create a text logo. Let's say page 2. There is also, you can just click this one. Make sure that, but make sure you close it, this. Okay, so there's another one here. Let me choose, for example, let's say sword or studio, or I'm gonna choose this. So it's like kind of gaming text, so we can change this one or rename it. So for example, 62 62 means 6/2 travel, like for example. Okay, so see that 62 travel. This is very nice logo already. And then you can also change the size. For example, you don't like the size of this one, but I think this one is okay for me. So I'm just going to just click the button and create logo. Okay, so create logo, and then download. Okay, so download or get the HTML, it's up to you, but for me, I'm going to just download it, and then I'm just going to open and then show folder, so that I know where did this one save. So it's on desktop and downloads. Okay, so let's name this one as, for example, 6/2 logo. This one is just only example. You can just create your own thing after we finish this. Okay, so we already changed the name. Is now let's go back to our blog layout. Okay, so let's go back to our blog layouts, and then next is go and edit. Okay, so click edit, and not here, we don't. Okay, so save. Sorry, it's under the header. Okay, so header, and then upload image from the computer, and then choose where did you save your logo. For me, I save it to downloads, and then open, and then click, and then just wait to download it, because still uploading. So next will be choose this one, have a descriptions place under the image. Okay, and then click save. So there you go, it's already finished. And let's try to, so they have already we already created including the logo there. See that? What do you think? This one is beautiful, or what do you think on this one? So that's how it's easy to create, right? So I hope everyone can follow how to create a page, how to create logo. Okay, so next will be, how about, because we need to put something here, right? So when I click, it will show something here. So we put already some information here for contact, and here, by the way, we're going to arrange this one. It should be contact is on the last one. Okay, so how you're going to do that? Go to the layout page. Layout, because it's not arranged. So look at this: home, contact, and gallery. Okay, so we need to put contact at the last part. Okay, so go back there again to pages. Okay, and uncheck it first, and then gallery, and then contact. You'll see the arrangement. See, it's ordering already. Okay, so you see that, so we don't need this. What we need is here. Okay, so and then click save, and then refresh this one, so that you'll see the changes. Now it's already changed. Okay, so oh, not yet. I forgot to save. Let's go back again and edit. Why it's not changed? Okay, so edit, go back again, gallery, contact is still there. Should be the first one is home, gallery, and contact. Let's see it again. Save. I hope it's working now. So preview. Oh yeah, there. So it's already home, gallery, and contact, and the logo that we created a while ago. Okay, so I'll just close it, and let's try to view blog. Yeah, it changed already. Okay, so next thing what we're going to do is put some content every page. Okay, so I'll teach you also how to put some content on every page. Okay, so let's close this and go to the layout again. So next will be page. So you are going now to work on every page. Do you understand? So for example, if you want to put some content here, and then you want to put like image here, okay, so for example, I'll just go and download image. For example, I will just download some pictures, like for example, travel Thailand, and then I'm going to choose, let's see where. Okay, so I think this one is a very good, or this one sample. Just open it. Let's wait because my internet is very slow. Okay, so and then download this picture, and then save it to make sure it save it on a download. Okay, so and then click save. Okay, so finish already, and then now you go to the page, and then go to insert image, and then go to upload from computer, and then choose the file, and then this one. So what is this one? It's like Lantern Festival, right? Is it Loy Krathong? This one? Hello? Is it Loy Krathong? Is this picture? So you can also choose the size, like let's say large, HTML view, compose view. So that will be, it's easier to work on compose view than HTML view, because in HTML view, if you don't know how to write the HTML code, it's very hard for you. Okay, so let's go to compose view. So there you go, there is already our pictures. So when, if you want to preview this one, so just like for example preview this one, it's already there. Okay, you see that one? So you can also add pictures here if you want. Okay, so you can also add the captions here, like for example, what is this one? So let's type, add some information. For example, this one will be Loy Krathong Festival, for example. So let me get this one first. So that's only example. For example, this, or we can just, like for example, get this one from here, and then, sorry, my mouse is not working properly. So just go and copy that information, and then go to the edit page, and then you can also paste it here directly. Okay, so let's say,
Teacher,
yeah,
we
yes,
can copy the information from internet, right?
no, you are
Oh
going to
no.
create your own travel experience. So
Oh.
I want you to create, like for example, when you go to Japan, you can just the one that you can use your previous travel, even outside or inside Thailand, it's okay. Okay, you understand? You can also use either, like you travel 2008 or 2010. You can just recall what is your experience. You just share your experience, okay? And then if you have pictures, you can also put here, and put, like for example, explain that pictures, where did you go, for example. Okay, so that's how to do it. Okay, so I will just put this one here, see that, and let's arrange this one because we don't need there. Okay, so this is example on how you are going to put the content. So let me erase this one and that, and then you can also save or update. Okay, so let me close this one first because we don't need it. We need is this one, page preview, and then editor, and then publish, and then there you go, it's already finished. When you preview, you will see that there is already, okay. So blog is just like you create a website, okay. Do you get what I mean here? So you all already starting creating a website. Okay, so you are going to create home, a gallery page, and a contact page. So I want to see there is an information here. Okay, so you can put one of the example is your travel. So for example, you went to Singapore, you can just put here what is your experience. You can just share. That's how we do blogging. Okay, you share your thoughts, you share experience. Understand? Okay, so home is already finished. Okay, so now let's work on a gallery page. So gallery page is very easy because all you need to do is prepare some pictures, and make or think what you are going to put, or what kind of pictures that you are going to put on a gallery. Okay, so of course our home page is done. You can just update. I cannot update it because it's limited here, so maybe I can just update it later on. So you just click that and make sure you update here. Okay, because we're just only using free version of blogger.com. We can 100%, some of the functionality is not working. So let's go back. So we finished already our home. You see that one, look at this, there is already home that is already finished. Let me try to view it if it's already working. So view blog. So home is there. Okay, so it's working already. Now it's working. So we have already the content on our first page. Okay, so your previous activity, you see this one, it's about